So, Peru, part 8, welcome to bikepacking. Do you remember? Like, subscribe, share, I really appreciate it. COVID coffee experiment, part 4, 5, I don't know, losing track of everything, losing track of days, losing track of my life. I don't know where the day goes. Next thing you know, it's like 6 o'clock and it's like, what happened there? You know, it's like there's a little time vector going on, and I get up early. But anyway, what we're going to do today is a milk cold brew. And it's not a cold brew with milk. I'm going to make a cold brew with milk today. So we're going to give that a go. I don't know how this is going to work. So I'm going to do it on a small scale. So they say you want to do about 1/4 to 1/3 coffee per volume of liquid. So I'm going with that much in this glass, and then I'm going to fill it up with milk, stick it in the fridge and see what it looks like. I don't know whether you need less or more milk, I'm not sure. I might have put too much coffee in that, but anyway, who cares? I can handle it a bit strong. It's not like as if I'm worried about the cost of it. So you always need to give it a stir when you're doing cold brew, I've found, because it's always dry in there, and sometimes if you don't stir it, you get lumps that don't even get wet, even if you leave it in the fridge all that time. So I stir it in. This, I've got a lid that's waterproof. I could probably turn it upside down. I use mason jars in Thailand. I use jugs like this in China. Jugs like the one I showed you the other day, sorry. There we go, that should do it. Okay. Put the lid on, stick that in the fridge, and I'll come back to that in 24 hours and we'll see what happens. Peace out. Okay, because I did the ayahuasca ceremony last night, this has been in the fridge for a few days now. So, you know, I found with cold brew, it doesn't really matter, you can leave it in there for a while. Yeah, I think last time I said 2 cups, and I think that was wrong. I think it's 1/3, 3 parts water, 1 part coffee. You could go down to 4 parts water, 1 part coffee. I like to try and do about 3 parts water, 1 part coffee when I do cold brew. So I use this as a filter. It's looking really dirty. It's a quick dry towel, but you can use anything. So just whack that in like that. In the cup, take the lid off, and let's see what happens. Looks good. Put it in. Luckily the coffee just sits in the bottom. There's the phone. I'm going to leave that tray and get the phone. So, because I was lazy, the battery went on me there. So what I normally do, I've done it before as I was talking, I'll get this like this and I'll squeeze it out, because for me, that bit is going to be the strongest. Actually, I've even got a bit more out there because while I was waiting. So, that's what it looks like. And let's give it a try. That is good, like. There's a nice coffee kick. It's been in there a while, and it's nice creamy from the milk. And it tastes different to cold brew, and it tastes different to cold brew with milk as well. I don't know whether it does something with the fat or whatever, but that is worth a try. That is awesome. It's going to be an expensive thing for me making coffee, making litres of this, like, but it's got to be done. Peace out.